Let us start the session. Today we are going to discuss the Maths Term 1 sample paper test number 2, which was conducted yesterday. So let us start with the first question. Find the value of 1296 to the power 0.17 into 1296 to the power 0.08. So दोनों का बेस सेम है. So what we will do, we will add the powers. ठीक है, ये दोनों का ऐड करेंगे. So 0.17 plus 0.08 will be 0.25, and 0.25 we can write 1 by 4, and 1296 we can write 6 to the power 4. So 6 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 1 upon 4. So क्या होगा, when if you multiply this two, 4 will be cancelled and you will get 6, and the final answer is, the correct option is option B. Right, next question. Root 10 into root 15 is equals to dash. So first we will split root 10 as root over 2 into 5, and root 15 we can write root over 3 into 5. Right, फिर इसको फिर से split करेंगे, root 2 into root 5, root 3 into root 5. So root 5 will become 5, and this 2 root 2 into root 3 will become root over 2 into 3, that is root 6. So correct answer is 5 root 6, and the correct option is option B. Right. So now we are moving toward third question. Each side of an equilateral triangle is 10 centimeter long. The height of the triangle is dash. What is the formula of height of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 2
square. Root 3 by 2 into side, right? Good. Height of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 2 into side, and side is given 10. Now 10 you can cancel it with by 2, so we are getting 5 root 3 centimeter. So this is the final answer, and the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 4. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 42 centimeter, and its base is 1/2 times each of equal sides. Find the length of each side of the triangle. So let the equal side be A. Okay, so base कितना हो जाएगा, 1/2. 1/2 means 3/2. So base will be 3/2 of A, and perimeter is given 42. Now what is perimeter? The sum of all three sides. So A plus 3/2 is equals to 42, right? And this will become 2A plus 3/2, 3A by 2. See carefully. If you take LCM, this will become 4A plus 3A by 2, that is 7A by 2 is equals to 42. Right? Now this 2 you can अच्छा एक मिनट रुको इसको कुछ ऐसा मैं लिखूँगा तो ठीक से समझ में आएगा. 7A by 2 is equals to 42, right? Now this 7 we can cancel it here, 6. Now on cross multiplication you are getting A is equals to 12, and the correct option is option B. Right, so now we are moving toward the next question. Question number 5. The simplest rationalizing factor of 2 root 2 minus root 3 is. What is the rationalizing factor of 2 root 2 minus root 3?
2 root 2 plus root 3.
Very good. 2 root 2 plus root 3. So the correct option is B. Now sixth question. If x is equals to 3k plus 2 and y is equals to 2k minus 1 is a solution of this equation, then find the value of k. So it is already given that x and y is the solution of this equation, so we can substitute, okay, क्योंकि इसको satisfy करेगा. So substituting x and y in this equation, we get 4 into 3k plus 2 minus 3 into 2k minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Now open the bracket. So ये हो जाएगा 12k plus 8, and this will become minus 6k plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 0. 12k minus 6k will become 6k, and 8 plus 3 plus 1 will be plus 12. So 6k plus 12 is equals to 0. Now shift plus 12 to this side, minus 12, and what is the value of k finally? Minus 2, right? and the correct option is option C. Now we are moving toward question number 7. In triangle ABC, side BC is produced to D. यहाँ पे देखो डायग्राम जो है वो क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. अप टू डी वी हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड एन एंगल ABC is 50 degree, angle ACD is 110 degree, then this angle we need to find. So by exterior angle property we know that the sum of these two angle is equals to 110 degree. So what is the value of this angle? 60 degree. 110 degree minus 50 degree, that is 60 degree, and the correct option is B. Now we are moving toward question number 8. If root 2 is equals to 1.41, then 1 by root 2 is equals to dash. So first we will rationalize the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 2? Root 2. Very good. So we'll multiply divide by root 2. So this will become root 2 by 2. Now we'll substitute the value of root 2, that is 1.11. Now 41. 1.41 divided by 2. So we'll get 0.705. So the correct option is C. Now we are moving toward question number 9. Each of the points -2, 2, 0, 0, 2, -2 satisfies the linear equation. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसमें एलिमिनेट करते जाएंगे. So -2 -2, so that is not equals to 0, so this is wrong. -2 plus 2 0, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus -2 is also 0. So मुझे यहीं पे मिल गया सेकंड वाला. यहाँ पर 2 plus 4 0 नहीं होगा, और यहाँ पर 2 plus 4 ये भी +4 हो जाएगा, ये भी 0 नहीं होगा. So the correct option is B. Now we are moving toward question number 10. In the given figure, angle OAB is equals to 75 degree, angle OBA is equals to 55 degree, angle OCD is equals to 100 degree, then angle ODC. This angle we need to find. चलो उससे पहले हम लोग ये वाला एंगल फाइंड कर लेते हैं. So ये दोनों को ऐड करो. what you are getting? 130. So ये वाला एंगल हो जाएगा 180 minus 130. So how much you are getting? 50 degree, right? So that means this angle is also 50 degree. ये वाला एंगल, ठीक है. So now the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So what will be the value of this angle? 30 degree. क्योंकि ये दोनों को ऐड करना है 150 और 180 से माइनस करना है. So you will get 30 degree. So the correct option is C. Now we are moving toward question number 11. It is given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE, in which AB is equals to 5 centimeter, angle B is equals to 40 degree, angle A is equals to 80 degree, and FD is equals to 5 centimeter. Then which of the following is true? See, these two angles are given. So what we will do, we will find the third angle, that is angle C. So the sum of angle A, angle B, angle C is 180 degree, right? So angle B का value 40 degree और इसका 80 degree substitute कर दिए. So this is 120. 120 if you shift to this side, 180 minus 120, so you'll get 60 degree. और C का corresponding vertex है E. So that means angle E is also equals to 60 degree. Right? So second option is the correct one. Any doubt?
Okay.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 12. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, it is given that AB is equals to AC, angle C is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q. Then the two triangles are dash. So see this rough figure. Angle C is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, right? And these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, angle B and angle C both are equal. ये दोनों equal हो जाएगा. Why?
Angles opposite to equals.
Angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. So similarly, these two angles are equal because they are equal to each other. So these two sides are also equal, but not necessary that these two sides are of same length. So that is why These two are similar but not congruent. Clear? That means
Yes, sir.
isosceles. These two are isosceles triangle. ये भी isosceles है और ये भी isosceles है, लेकिन congruent नहीं है. So ये छोटा भी हो सकता है और बड़ा भी हो सकता है. So the correct option is option A. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 13th question. The measure of an angle is 5 times its complementary angle. The angle measure what? So let the angle be x. So what is the complement of angle x?
90
90
degrees.
minus
Minus x. 90 degree minus x. Okay. Now what is given that this angle is 5 times of this angle. Now open the bracket. 450 minus 5x. Minus 5x you shift to this side plus 5x. So it will become 6x is equals to 450. So x is equals to 450 divided by 6, 75. So final answer is 75 degree. And the correct option is option D. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 14. Let m be the midpoint and u be the upper class limit of a class in a continuous frequency distribution. The lower class limit of the class is dash. So mid value is given m and upper limit is given u. And we know that lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is mid value, that is m. So lower limit plus u by 2 is equals to m. Now cross multiply. So lower limit plus u is equals to 2m. Shift u to this side. So minus u ho jayega. So finally we'll get 2m minus u. And the correct option is option A.
Option A.
Right. Now we are moving toward the next 15th question. The range of the data. We know that the range is given by the difference of maximum and minimum value. That is maximum value minus minimum value. So maximum value यहाँ पर 32 है और minimum value 6 है. So 32 minus 6 is the range. So we are getting 26. And the correct option is D. Next 16th question. Study the bar graph given in figure. What is the ratio between the minimum sale and maximum sale? So minimum scale ये May में है and it is equal to 50, ठीक है, minimum, and maximum sale C, it is equal to 325. So we have to find the ratio 50 divided by 325. Okay, if you divide it by 25, you will get 2 by 13. And the correct option is option A. This is clear?
Yes.
Now this is the last question of section A. Now we are moving towards section B. 17th question. The graph of the linear equation 3x plus 2y is equals to 12 meets the x-axis at the point. We know that on x-axis y is 0. So we will substitute y is equals to 0 in this equation. So जब 0 substitute करोगे तो ये पूरा 0 हो जाएगा. 3x plus 2 into 0 is equals to 12. So this will become 0. इसको हटा दो. So we'll get 3x plus 12. 3x is equals to 12. So what is the value of x?
4.
4. That is 12 divided by 3, 4. So the required point is 40. And the correct option is option B. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Find the value of x if 2 by 5 to the power 2x into 5 by 2 to the power 2 is equals to 32 upon 3125. ध्यान से देखो, इसको अगर हम लोग रेसिप्रोकल में लिखेंगे, that is 2 by 5. So power माइनस हो जाएगा. This is clear? इसको अगर हम लोग 2 by 5 लिखेंगे 5 by 2 को, so power नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Now we can add these two powers. So finally we'll get 2 by 5 to the power 2x minus 2 is equals to 32 upon 3125. ये step clear है तो आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 32 we can write 2 to the power 5 and 3125 we can write 5 to the power 5. And this together we can write 2 upon 5 to the power 5. Now compare the powers. So 2x minus 2 is equals to 5. Shift minus 2 to this side, it will become plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. and the final answer is 7/2, and the correct option is option A. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 19. The base of an isosceles triangle is 8 centimeter long, and each of its equal measure side measures 6 centimeter. The area of the triangle is dash. So first we will find the semi-perimeter, that is 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2. So 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8, 20 by 2 is 10. Now we will write the formula of Heron's formula, that is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया Heron's formula. Now we are going to substitute s a b c. Substitute कर दिए. अब ध्यान से देखो, this will become 4 4 2. So 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. So अब इसको split करेंगे. 10 we can write 2 into 5. ओके 4 को ऐसे रखेंगे क्योंकि पेयर में ऑलरेडी है. सो 2 भी पेयर में हो गया और 4 भी पेयर में हो गया. सो दैट इज 2 स्क्वायर 4 स्क्वायर इंटू 5. सो इफ यू टेक स्क्वायर रूट वी विल गेट 2 इंटू 4 इंटू रूट 5. फाइनल 8 root 5 centimeter square, and the correct option is option B. Now we are moving towards question number 20. If x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4 is a solution of the equation 5x minus 3y is equals to k, find the value of k. So ये इसका solution है तो उसको satisfy करेगा. So that is why we will substitute x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4 here. Right? So if you substitute you will get 15 minus 12, and 15 minus 12 is 3. So we are getting k is equals to 3. So the correct option is A. Now 21st question. This is very good question. If x is equals to 3 plus 1 by 3 plus root 8, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So what we will do, first we will find 1 upon x. So 1 upon x will be 1 upon 3 plus root 8. उसको फिर हम लोग rationalize करेंगे. So इसका rationalizing factor है 3 minus root 8. Now these two are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So ये हो जाएगा a square minus b square, that is 9 minus 8. Now this will be 1. So finally we are getting 3 minus root 8. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, x plus 1 upon x का value find करेंगे. So दोनों को add कर दो. When you add, this 2 will be cancelled and we are getting 6 only. Now square on both sides. दोनों तरफ square कर लो. Left side, right side. So इसका square क्या होगा देखो, x square plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x. This x will be cancelled. So we are getting this one. This is clear?
Yes.
And this is equals to square of 6. This is equals to 36. So plus 2 को इधर shift करो. So it will be minus 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square will be 36 minus 2, that is 34. And the correct option is option A. Now we are moving towards question number 22. The lengths of the three sides of a triangle 30 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively. The length of the altitude of the triangle corresponding to the smallest side. So first we have to find the area of the triangle. So इसको A ले लेंगे, B और इसको C ले लेंगे, right? So now add this three, 30 plus 24, 54 plus 18, 72. So 72 by 2 हो जाएगा 36, right? Now we'll write the Heron's formula. Now substitute all the values. So 36 into 6 into 12 into 18. So 36 को हम लोग 12 into 3 लिखेंगे और 12 तो ऑलरेडी है, इसको 6 into 3 लिखेंगे, राइट? एक मिनट, एक 6 छूट गया. गुड. अब 2 भी पेयर में है, 6 भी पेयर में है और 12 भी 3 भी पेयर में है, 3, 12, 6 सभी पेयर में है, तो सिंगल आ जाएगा. 12 into 3 into 6, that is 216 centimeter square. Now we have to find the length of the altitude corresponding the smallest side, and the smallest side here is 18. So 18 के corresponding to altitude निकालना है. So half into base into height will be equals to 216. Base is 18, we have to find height. ठीक है, base कितना है 18. So height हो जाएगा 216 into 2 upon 18. So 216 we can cancel it by 18. We are getting 12. So 12 into 2 is 24. And the correct option is option A. So now we are moving toward question number 23. The value of root 32 plus root 48 upon root 8 plus root 12. 32 we can write 16 into 2. 48 we can write 16 into 3. And 8 we can write 4 into 2. And 12 we can write 4 into 3. अब ये square root of 16 हो जाएगा 4. तो this we can write 4 root 2. This we can write 4 root 3. And square root of 4 is 2. So this we can write 2 root 2 and this 2 root 3. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब ये दोनों में 4 कॉमन ले सकते हैं और ये दोनों में 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं. So ले लिए. Now this will be cancelled and we are getting 4 by 2 and the value of 4 by 2 is 2 and the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 24. Simplify cube root of 2 into 4th root of 2 into 12th root of 32. So I told you that in the class also, see, if nth root of x, we can write x to the power 1 upon n. So cube root को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 1 by 3. 4th root को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 1 by 4. And 12th root we can write 32 to the power 1 by 12. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now 32 we can write 2 to the power 5. So ये हो जाएगा 5 upon 12 next step में. अब सबका बेस सेम है तो पावर्स को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे. Right? See, the LCM of all these 3 is 12. So यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 3 हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे 5. That is 4 plus 3 plus 5 upon 12. So the sum of all these is 12. 12 by 12 is 1 and 2 to the power 1 is 2. Right? And the final answer is option A. Now we are moving toward the question number 25. The weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are given below. How many workers are receiving less than rupees 860 as weekly wages? So 860 से कम वाले को हम लोग को मार्क करना है. चलो यहाँ से काउंट करते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we are getting 23 workers. So the correct option is option A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 26. The equation 2x plus 5y is equals to 7 has a unique solution if x and y are dash. So since point on a line is represented by the equation, अगर हम लोग रियल नंबर की बात करें तो इसके बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस हो सकते हैं, इनफाइनेटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. ओके, सो सिंस एवरी पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन रिप्रेजेंट बाय द इक्वेशन 2x plus 5y is equals to 7 इज इट्स सॉल्यूशन. मतलब इस लाइन में जो भी पॉइंट होगा वो इसका सॉल्यूशन होगा. Therefore there are infinitely solution of the equation 2x plus 5y is equals to 7 in which the values of x and y are rational numbers, positive real numbers or real numbers. So कुछ भी हो सकता है. But when we talking about the natural number, so that this is possible only for only one solution, that is x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. ठीक है, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1 substitute करेंगे तो we are getting 7. Other than this solution, there is no other solution if we take it as a natural numbers. Okay, so the solution equation 2x plus 5y is equals to 7 has a unique solution if x and y are both natural number, and the correct option is A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 27. The number of hours for some students of particular class watched television during holidays as shown through a graph given below, how many students spent more than or equal to, I'm adding here, okay, 5 hours in TV watching. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक काउंट करना है, तो यहाँ पर ये कितना है देखो 8 and this is 6 क्योंकि इनके बीच में, so 8 plus 6 is 14 and the correct option is option A. Now 28th question, in the given figure AB is parallel to CD, if angle CAB is equals to 80 degree and angle EFC is equals to 25 degree, then find this angle. So ध्यान से देखो, अगर ये 80 होगा, so what is the value of this angle? 80 corresponding angle. So what will be the value of this angle? 180 minus 80,
100.
so we are getting 100 degree, right? चलो ऐसा नहीं करना है, तो एक काम करते हैं, ध्यान से देखो, ये जो एंगल है, दिस एंगल इज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल, सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू द सम ऑफ दिस टू एंगल्स. सो यू कैन सबट्रैक्ट दिस टू, 80 minus 25, दैट इज 55. एक तरीका ये है. दूसरा तरीका अभी जो बताया था, ये 100 डिग्री, फिर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी निकालो, देन ऑल्सो यू आर गेटिंग 55 डिग्री, एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज B. Both the method is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 29. The class marks of a distribution are 15, 20, 25, so on up to 45. The class corresponding to 45 is dash. So class size is given. What is the class size? ये देखो gradually increasing कितने number से हो रहा है?
5.
5. So that is the class size. And class mark is given 45, जिसका हम लोग को class निकालना है. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? क्लास साइज का हाफ सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो लोअर लिमिट मिलेगा, हाफ ऐड करेंगे तो अपर लिमिट मिलेगा. सो 45 minus 5/2 is lower limit and this is 2.5. So if you subtract, you will get 42.5. Now upper limit will be 45 plus 5/2, that is 45 plus 2.5, you will get 47.5. And the required class is 42.5 to 47.5. And the correct option is
Option
C. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 30. In triangle ABC, if angle A plus angle B is equals to 108 degree and angle B plus angle C is equals to 130 degree, then find angle B. So सबसे पहले जो दिया है उसको लिख लिए. अब ये दोनों को ऐड करो, मीन्स LHS plus LHS, RHS plus RHS. So देखो B 2 बार में आ जाएगा, B repeated 2 times. Okay. Now what is the sum of these 3 angles? एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी. उसको एक काम करते हैं, मैं अलग से लिख लेता हूँ, फिर समझ में आएगा. ये हो जाएगा 238. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस सम? 180. राइट. सो व्हाई? बिकॉज द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल. नाउ शिफ्ट 180 टू दिस साइड. सो 238 minus 180 degree. ओके. सो एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 238 माइनस, एक मिनट गलत लिखा हुआ है, 238 minus 180 degree. Yes. So if you subtract, you will get 58 degree. And the correct option is option A. Now we are moving toward question number 31. Calculate the value of x in the given figure. So this is also very easy question. यहाँ पे एक काम करेंगे हम लोग. We will join this. एक मिनट, join कर लिए, right? ठीक है. ठीक है, यहाँ ज्वाइन कर लिए. लेट दिस एंगल इज 1 एंड दिस एंगल इज 2, और इसको मैं 3 और 4 लिख रहा हूँ. राइट. सो एंगल 1 जो है, द एंगल 1 इज एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 30 डिग्री बिकॉज इट इज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सिमिलरली एंगल 2 वी कैन राइट एंगल 4 प्लस एंगल 45 डिग्री. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay, now we are adding these two. If you add angle 1, angle 2, you will get x. If you add angle 3, angle 4, you will get 55. And 30 plus 45 is 75. Now what is the sum? 55 plus 75.
130.
Yes, you will get 130 degree. And the correct option is option B. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 32. In the figure given alongside AB is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to BC angle BAC is equals to 60 degree and angle DHF is equals to 50 degree. Find angle AGH. This angle we have to find. Now this is also very easy question. See, this angle is 60 degree. How?
Alternative.
Yes, alternate interior angles. And this angle is 50 degree. Why?
Vertically
opposite angle. Right. Now this is an exterior angle for this triangle, and we know that the exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. So ये दोनों का sum कितना है? 110. So this is the required answer, and the correct option is A. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now this is the last question of section B. Now we are moving towards section C. Case study question number 1. Aditya asked carpenter to make front door of his guest house. The carpenter suggested him a design which is plotted on a graph as shown in below figure, this figure. So based on this figure, few questions are there. First 33rd question. What is the length of line segment AB? Now see, AB हम लोग को निकालना है, right? This line. Now the length of this one is 3 units, and the length of this is 2 unit. So और ये 90 डिग्री है, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है, ये वाला लेंथ निकल जाएगा. So AB square is equals to 3 square plus 2 square, that is 9 plus 4, 13. So AB will be root 13 units. So correct option is C. Now next is AB is equals to AC? So that we have to check, right? So एक मिनट, रेड कलर ठीक से दिख नहीं रहा है, तो लाइट कलर ले लेते हैं, राइट? अभी ध्यान से देखो ये वाला ट्राइंगल पे. Now this is 3 and this is 2. Again by using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find AC, right? So AC square is equals to 3 square plus 2 square again, okay? And that is equals to 9 plus 9 plus 4, 13, and that is equals to AB square. So AC is equals to AB, and the correct option is yes. इसका आंसर root 13 था. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. Next question. Find the perpendicular distance of point E from the y-axis. एक मिनट, ग्रीन कर लेते, राइट? E का देखो डिस्टेंस y-axis से कितना है? 3 units, right? Perpendicular distance. So correct option is D. Next, find the distance between the points F and C. F यहाँ पर है और C यहाँ पर है. देखो मैं एक राइट ट्रायंगल फॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, ये पॉइंट ज्वाइन कर दिया हूँ, एंड दिस पॉइंट, सी केयरफुली, एंड FC ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है? एंड दिस इज अ राइट ट्रायंगल एंड द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड इज 6 and this side is also 6. So by Pythagoras theorem, FC square हो जाएगा 6 square plus 6 square, that is 2 times of 6 square. So FC will be 6 root 2 units, and the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 37. Case study question number 2. BSE stands for a disease called bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Bovine means that the disease affects cows. Spongiform refers to the way the brain from a sick cow looks spongy under a microscope, and encephalopathy, I think pronunciation is like that only. You have to check in internet, correct pronunciation, indicates that it is a disease of the brain. This disease is commonly called mad cow disease. A farmer has a field ABCD formed by 2 pairs of parallel roads as shown in below, in which L is parallel to M, this is L is parallel to M, and P is parallel to Q. His 4 cows suffering from BSE, thus he tied them at the 4 corners of the field ABCD. This figure. Now based on this figure, few questions are there. If angle BAC is 30 degree, if this angle is 30 degree, so what is the value of this angle? 30 degree. Why?
Alternate interior
right,
angles.
Very good. Alternate interior angle. So correct option is C. Next, angle ABC plus angle BCD is equals to 180 degree as means this angle plus BCD, this angle. The sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree because angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Now question number 39. If cow at C and cow at D is 12 kilometer apart. So if this distance is 2 kilometer. So this distance is also 2 kilometer. Okay. And the correct option is 2.
Option B.
Option B, 2. Next, if angle B is equals to 45 degree, then the value of angle D is dash. Okay, angle B means this is 45 degree. Okay, and what is the value of this angle? So this angle is also 45 degree. उसको हम लोग दो तरीके से बोल सकते हैं, अदरवाइज एक मेथड बता रहा हूँ. See, AD parallel to BC, AB parallel to CD, so this will form a parallelogram and we know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, right? एक तो वो तरीका है. दूसरा तरीका है दोनों को congruent proof कर लो और ये दोनों corresponding angle होगा, right? So the correct option is option C, right? So this is the last question of sample paper test number 2. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.